AI can now edit your videos for you, and you can save thousands of video editing fees with this one tool called Tella TV. In this one, I want to break down exactly how, what it is, how it works, and how I personally use it myself for YouTube videos, course content, tutorials, all that good stuff. I'm inside of Tella TV right now. I'll put a link below. I'm not affiliated with them at the time of me recording this. Hopefully, they'll reach out. We can do something together because I love this tool. I only share what I recommend and use myself. Now, yesterday I published this video. It's called Best AI Slides Tool in 2026. Compared Gamma, Manus, Lovable, and you can see here amazing work by AI in Manus to generate the slides. And I used Tella to film it, to edit, and to auto position me and the screen working together. So what I like about Tella is that I can film inside of here, and I can also, as soon as it's done, I can come in here. If there's any parts that I don't like, I can just refilm that part, and it will automatically add it in there. It will automatically cut out and cut off pauses where I make mistakes. Anything that shouldn't be in the video, AI can remove all of that. And you can come in here and you can change the title. It will automatically pick a title for your description. So you can just share this link with someone if you want to share it this way, or you can download it here in 4K 60 FPS for YouTube. Now, you can also see landscape, portrait, and square. So I didn't even know that until recently, that you can also create short form videos inside of Tella. This saves me so much time. Subscribe so you don't miss the video where I show you how I create short form videos. You can edit faster. This is where AI will edit the videos for you. But if you just want to do it the simple way that I did here, I did it with the layout section. So you can click here, generate auto layouts. What this is if I'm just talking me right now, I'm looking at you and I'm speaking to you, maybe it's an intro for the video. Tella and the AI inside of Tella will notice and it will pick up that this is just us having a conversation. So it's not going to share my screen. But then when I say, hey, look at my screen right now, it will determine and automatically understand that I want to share my screen, and it will transition over, show me on one side and then the screen on another side. So you can see both of us. And so this is what I really love and why I don't need a video editor for these type of videos. Because I used to have editors just sort of adding me from an SD card, and we filmed it on one camera, upload it to Dropbox. My editor would download it, add the screen share, which I used QuickTime for, and put it together and sort of move around, zoom in here and there, and now Tella will do all of that for me. Now, if it's fancy videos and maybe a vlog or something, I would still use a video editor to make certain effects. Or high production event videos. Like, I'm not saying that video editors are not needed. I'm saying you'll save a lot of time and money by using Tella for the everyday screen share videos, tutorials, that kind of thing. And it's just going to get better. So soon you'll be able to use this for vlogs and all types of videos. A couple of things that might be helpful to know. Here you can click a video. So here for this one, for example, I don't want to show just the screen. So maybe for this one, I'll just do this. I'll put me on the other side so that I'm looking at the screen, not to the other side. If it's a video if it's a section where I want to share more of me, so you can see here I'm super small. Maybe I want to make that bigger because I'm talking to you while you also want to see like a visual framework or illustration or something. If I'm reacting to a video, maybe we would go like this. So you can see the video on a bigger screen and you can see me. Couple other cool things that I don't want you to miss is the background. So Tella has a lot of cool backgrounds, and you can also choose animated if you want the background to be animated, or you can upload your own images as well. So that makes it super personalized. Border is where you can choose if you want it to be rounded corners, harsher backgrounds, all of that. I like to use it very simple. Subtitles, YouTube has that automatically. I don't need to add that. Adjust, if I want to crop this, I can just go in here and crop out maybe the links or anything that I want to crop. And then I can click apply to all clips. And here is, if I'm moving around a lot, I can just fix that here. And then also say apply to all clips. Finally, I like to add sometimes I like to add a background, some sort of background music, and so I can pick between a couple different ones. You can see this one is 2 minutes. The video that I posted yesterday was 8 minutes, and so I just looped it 4 times without me even having to ask or say like, "Hey, don't stop the music, like keep going." Studio voice, if the microphone isn't that good, if you're recording on a iPhone, for example, it's getting better now. But even there, if you want to improve the audio, you can do that by just clicking a level. Audio levels, make sure the music isn't too loud, and make sure your voice is the main focus. And that's it. You go download and you export it, and there you have it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you check out all of my other recent videos on this channel, sharing AI for slides, AI for digital products, AI for marketing, sales, AI for building a highly profitable solopreneur business that's lean, that's profitable, gives you fun, freedom, and fulfillment. Make sure you subscribe with the bell notification so you don't miss those, and I'll see you in the next one.